Now, before proceeding, after doing some tests here on my end, we're going to need to do a couple of changes on the registry schema function here on our wrapper. So this is what I have highlighted here for us. And the reason for that is that when we register a schema with the registry, it's only return the schema ID. It does not return the version number assigned to that schema. So the code we have built before was trying to get the version by calling the get version on the subject without specifying which version to retrieve. So this will return an arbitrary version from that specific subject, generally the first version that we have, and not the version of the schema that you just registered. Okay, so this was causing in my tests incorrect version numbers to be reported. For example, it was showing like a version 4 when the actual assigned version was 6. So that's why we're now using this lookup schema instead, because it's going to search for the exact schema that we just registered, and it's going to return its specific version number. Okay, so that's why we're doing the changes. Think of it like, instead of asking give me any version number from this subject, we're now asking what version number did you just assign to this specific schema that I just gave you. Okay, so that's why we changed it to the lookup schema, and we're getting now the assigned version. All right, so please go ahead, do those changes, and then you should be good to run the schema registry test code. Okay.